Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize tax settings in Square for sellers, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize tax settings in Square for sellers, start by logging into your Square dashboard. Navigate to the Account and Settings section in the left-hand menu. Select Taxes from the options available. Click on that Add Tax button to create a new tax rate. Enter the name of the tax in the designated field. Set the tax rate percentage according to your local regulations. Decide whether this tax applies to all items or only specific categories. If applicable, specify which items the tax applies to by selecting them. Once all details are filled out, click on Save to finalize your tax rate. If you need to edit an existing tax, select the tax from your list. Make any necessary changes and click Save again. To remove a tax, click on the tax you wish to delete. Then, choose Delete from the options provided. Confirm the deletion to ensure the tax is removed. Once all taxes are set up, return to the main dashboard. Test a transaction to verify that the tax settings are applying correctly. You are now ready to manage your tax settings in Square for all sales. Be sure to keep your tax rates updated as regulations change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.